Hello guys, it's Ben back here. If you haven't seen our latest video, Peter did a video, and say hi, Peter.
Hello.
Point the camera at you.
Hi.
Now,
Hello.
I'm gonna play Grandfather Clock. In the next video, I'm doing my new ice skates. That's a preview for you. Now, let's play. Now we have a little sneak peek on the next song. Look at it, and I'm gonna do the top part, but look at that. And now, if you want, you can take a screenshot if you are a piano player and you wanna learn the music to all of the songs here. And if you wanna buy something, you could buy this. Or this. Nope, we don't have our own shop, so you're gonna have to get it in a shop. This we just did with Peter, so I haven't done this for a long time, so it's just a preview. Just so you know.
If you want, you can sing the words while you do it.
Okay.
Give it a try.
Wait. Oh!
Start again.
See? I am pretty bad.
I will edit that. Don't worry. Try again.
Don't edit it.
Don't edit.
Don't edit it.
All right. Fair enough. Go ahead.
That's a funny part for you.
Take two.
See in my new skates with there.
Left hand. Second line.
No,
Oh,
it's
that's
a
for the next
preview.
one. All right. All right. Say bye for now then.
Bye bye.
All right.